Hi, I'm Jamika Roberts. My character is Pam.
Jamika. She's a great actress. She farted during our read-through.
I ended up tooting on set, and I didn't want anybody to find out, but Lucy, she did.
I just, politely had her remove herself.
And she made me stand in a corner while, holding my hands up. She said if I put my hands down, she knew I was gonna toot again.
That was a complete lie. I assure you that. I'm not that, mean. Come on. This is a business I'm running.
I don't want any more bean pies, that's all I can say.